section muna po. Masyado siya bing mahaba, bawasan natin. AJ, arali mo nga itong layout ha. Paano yung ano? Tinapi-copy paste na lang ito eh. May program naman dun eh. Computer. Ako yan. Section. And then the name of the teacher. Pwede pa rin. Mamaya na natin plastic cover. Abot nga yun. Pilipino na tayo. Ano na ba, sa Pilipino pag 4th year? Di ba may no limit camera eh? Pwede gusto days mo. Kakaroon na naman siguro kayo ng documentation. Huwag mo na masyadong madiin yung pagkadikit. Baka kasi babaguhin mo pa ha. Okay. Ito na.
Next we're going to be talking about customizing controls. We want to actually test your customizing controls for a certain amount of time. It's not what it's got. So we are going to suggestions. So the attack button and the track button should be passive button. And on the other side, in your jump and add joystick on the left one. Here's what I suggest for track. So most players control the joystick with their thumb. And that means using only thumb as your cue finger makes it difficult to audio.
It's lang din.
As it closes finger, your index and its arm